Dear children, today I am going to start first lesson of Sanskrit, Vriksharopanasya Mahatvam. In this lesson we will study Lat Lakar, Lang Lakar, Ajant, Pulling, Napunsakling. Lat Lakar means present tense, Lang Lakar means past tense. So these verbs we will study in this lesson. Before going to start this lesson, I want to say you that for doing the meaning of Sanskrit sentences, we must have know the declension and conjugation. We have to know Vibhakti Vachan, and by using the sign of Vibhaktis, we will make its meaning. Now, see the first paragraph. Vatsah vrikshah kevalam saundaryaya na santi apitu vrikshaihi tatrataya mritika api surakshita bhavati. Vrikshanam abhave marubhumi prasarah sambhavati अतः वृक्षाणां रक्षा आवश्यकी अपि च जलानां वर्षणे परिवेशस्य शुद्धीकरणे फलदानेन छायादानेन च अस्माकं पोषणे वृक्षाणां महती उपादेयता. The meaning of the lesson is utility of plantation. So vrikshaah, it is Sambodhan, it means children. Vatsah, Sambodhan, it means children. Vrikshah, kevalam saundaryaya na santi. Vrikshah, trees, kevalam saundaryaya na santi. Sant means are. Trees are not only for beauty. Saundarya Chaturthi Ekvachan, it means for beauty. Apitu vrikshaihi tatrataya mritika api surakshita bhavati. Apitu vrikshaihi tatrataya mritika api surakshita bhavati. Apitu means but soil of Mritika means soil. Soil of the place is also being protected by trees. Vrikshah, Pratham Purush Bahuvachan. Santi, Asadhatu, Pratham Purush Bahuvachan. It is verb. वृक्षैः तृतीया बहुवचन. भवति भूधातु प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. Now the second sentence. वृक्षाणाम अभावे मरुभूमि प्रसारः संभवति. संभवति means helps. वृक्षाणाम अभावे, in the scarcity of trees, marubhumi prasara sambhavati, the expansion of desert helps. In the scarcity of trees, the expansion of desert helps. Ataeva vrikshanam raksha avasaki. Ataeva means hence, therefore. Therefore, protection of trees is being very necessary. Therefore, the protection of trees is very necessary. Apicha, apicha means moreover. Apicha jalanam varshane, jalanam cha, it is abhyay, api abhyay, jalanam षष्ठी बहुवचन, वर्षणे सप्तमी एक वचन. वर्षण मीन्स इन रेन. Jalana means of water. Moreover, Mahati Upadeyata, Vrikshanam Mahati Upadeyata. It is very necessary, trees are very necessary in rain also. Parivesasya Shuddhikarane, in purifying atmosphere. Faladanen, by giving fruits. Chaya danen cha, and giving shadow. Asmakam poshane, and nourishing of us. Vrikshanam Mahati Upadeyata. Trees are very important. See once again. Moreover, the utility of trees is more in raining of water, more essential in raining of water, cleaning of atmosphere, giving fruits, shadow, and also in our nourishment. Second para, Kechid Agyanvasat. Kechid, some due to ignorance. Agyanvasat, due to ignorance. Kechid cha, Kechid plus cha, Kechid cha. Kechid, some, cha means and some swartha purtaye tan chindanti. Due to self-interest, tan chindanti, cut them. Some cut them due to ignorance, and some for their self-interest. Te na jananti vriksha chhede jiv hatya bhavati. Te means they, na jananti, don't know that vriksha chhede jiv hatya bhavat. Cutting tree is equivalent to killing a living being. महाभारते का कथा वर्तते. देयर इज ए स्टोरी इन महाभारता. एकदा इंद्रः एकं वृक्षम अछिनत. एकदा वंस इंद्रः, किंग ऑफ देवास, इंद्र, एकं वृक्षम अछिनत, कट अ ट्री. तेन सह जीववधस्य पापेन युक्तः अभवत्. बाय दैट ही गॉट स्ट्रक इन sin of killing a living being. Indra is the king of Devas, yet he got stuck in the sin. So how important trees in our life, how important trees were in ancient period also. Now, see the next para. King Yuyang न जानीत श्री जगदीश चंद्र वसु नामकः विख्यातः वैज्ञानिकः वृक्षेषु अपि जीवसत्ता अस्ति इति अवर्णयत्. King Yuyang न जानीत, don't you know? श्री जगदीश चंद्र वसु नामकः विख्यातः वैज्ञानिकः. Don't you know that the famous scientist Sri Jagadish Chandra Basu, Vriksheshu Abhijivasatta iti avarnayat, described that life exists in trees also. Don't you know that the famous scientist Sri Jagadish Chandra Basu described that life exists in trees also? My dear children, Jagadish Chandra Basu, he invented kiskograph and so many things, and he discovered that trees have also life. Matsya Purana लिखितमस्ति. It is written in Matsya Purana. 10 कूप समावापी 10 वापी समो हृदः 10 हृदय समः पुत्रः 10 पुत्र समो द्रुमः. Purans also saying the importance of trees in our life. That's why this sloka has been written in Puran. Das Kup Samavapi. Das Vapi Samohradah. 10 wells, Kup means wells. 10 wells are equal to a pond. Das Kup Samovapi. 10 wells are equal to a pond. Das Vapi Samo Hridah. Hridah means big pond. 10 ponds are equal to a big pond. Das Hridah Samah Putrah. 10 big ponds are equal. 10 Hridah Samah Putrah. 10 big ponds are equal to a son. 10 Putra Samodrumah. And 10 sons are equal to a tree. See, once again, 10 wells are equal to a pond. 10 ponds are equal to a big pond. 10 big ponds are equal to a sun. And 10 sons are equal to a tree. 10 कूपा नाम निर्माणे यत पुण्यम तद एकस्याह वाप्याह निर्माणेन. The virtue of making 10 wells is equal to the virtue of making a pond. 10 vapi khananam. Khananam means digging. 10 vapi. Vapi means pond. 10 vapi khananam punyam. Punya means virtue. 10 vapi khananam punyam yad ekasya hridasya nirmanen bhavati. The virtue of digging 10 ponds is equal to the virtue of making a big pond. 10 hridanam. Hridanam Sashti Bahubachan. It means of 10 big ponds. 10 हृदानाम निर्माणेन यत पुण्यम तदेकस्य पुत्रस्य उत्पादनेन. 10 big, the virtue of making 10 big ponds is equal to the virtue of giving birth of a son. 10 पुत्राणाम उत्पादेन यत महत्वम तत् एकस्य वृक्षस्य रोपणेन. The virtue of giving birth to 10 sons is equal to virtue of planting a tree. Then writer says, Atah यूयम अपि स्वगृहे एकैकं वृक्षारोपणं करिष्यथ तेषां संरक्षणं च करिष्यथ. So you all will plant one tree in your houses and will conserve them. Sanrakshanam means conserve, protection. Here the author is saying that you all will plant one tree in your houses and you will protect them. My dear children, trees are very essential in our life. We are sitting on the chair, using the table. Everything, it comes from the trees. Fan is running and it is also coming from thermal energy, and that coal It is the form of a tree. Also, oxygen we are getting from tree. So it's our duty to protect trees and planting the trees. This lesson says, this lesson tells us its importance, and indeed we will do it. Now, grammatical details. Some grammatical details you see. वृक्षाणाम षष्ठी बहुवचन, अभावे सप्तमी एक वचन, जलानाम षष्ठी बहुवचन, वर्षणे सप्तमी एक वचन, पोषणे सप्तमी एक वचन, अस्माकं षष्ठी बहुवचन, अज्ञानवशात पंचमी एक वचन, स्वार्थपूर्तये सप्तमी एक वचन, तान द्वितीया बहुवचन, छिंदन्ति वर्ब लट्लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन, ते प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन, ते प्रथमा बहुवचन, वृक्ष छेदे सप्तमी एक वचन, महाभारते सप्तमी एक वचन, तेन तृतीया एक वचन, जीववधस षष्ठी एक वचन, पापेन तृतीया एक वचन, वृक्षेषु सप्तमी बहुवचन, मत्स्य पुराणे सप्तमी एक वचन, दशकूपानां षष्ठी बहुवचन, निर्माणे सप्तमी एक वचन, पुण्यम प्रथमा एक वचन, एकस्याः षष्ठी एक वचन, वाप्याः षष्ठी एक वचन, निर्माणेन तृतीया एक वचन, हृदयस्य षष्ठी एक वचन, एकस्य षष्ठी एक वचन, भवति लट्लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन, निर्माणेन तृतीया एक वचन, तदेकस्य षष्ठी एक वचन, पुत्रस्य षष्ठी एक वचन, 10 पुत्राणां षष्ठी बहुवचन, उत्पादनेन तृतीया एक वचन, यत अव्यय, अतः अव्यय, अपि अव्यय, गृहे स्वगृहे सप्तमी एक वचन, वृक्षारोपणम प्रथमा एक वचन, करिष्यथ लिट लकार, इट मीन्स फ्यूचर टेंस, मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन, तेषाम षष्ठी बहुवचन, संरक्षणम प्रथम पुरुष, संरक्षणम प्रथमा विभक्ति एक वचनम. So you see this, you listen this, and I hope that you will get benefit from this audio clip. God bless you.